Hello and welcome to Anubhav Trainings. My name is Anubhav and I personally welcome all of you to this channel. Are you looking forward to build a strong technical skill in SAP space? Yes, you are at the right place. We at Anubhav Trainings committed to provide you most trending technology trainings with real-time scenarios so you can build the right career path ahead of you and elevate your learning ability to fast track your career growth by creating unbreakable knowledge barrier for your competition. We believe our success in the success of our students, and we share a strong trusted relationship with thousands of IT companies and professionals. We have our students across the globe with more than 93 plus countries and working as IT or aspire to become IT professionals in the world of SAP. So why Anubhav Trainings? First of all, you have no training institute in the middle of you and me. Most of the time, when you subscribe the courses, the training institute from where you are taking the course or the salesperson is different from the entity who is teaching you the course. So there is always a gap in understanding between the training institute and the trainer. And this gap actually costs you a lot many times. So here you are directly coming to Anubhav without having a gap in the middle as a training institute. All our courses are regularly updated as per the latest trending technology in the market and designed as per the SAP certification in mind so that you can crack the SAP certification right after attending our courses. We will not just help you to learn, but we will also help you to keep yourself up to date with the information in hand, including hands-on. Along with that, you will also learn how to crack certification and interviews during the course itself. All our courses are available online, instructor-led training mode as well as in video mode. So just in case the timings for the live batches are not suitable for you, you can always go ahead and attend our courses in video mode as well. We believe our trainings are not designed with copy-paste of code. We believe in writing every single line of code in front of you so that way you will learn things rather than copy-pasting them. You will also get the desired infrastructure, be it the server, study material, course content, code projects, scenarios, codes, PPTs, certification guidance, all at one place, so you will save a lot of time, and this time which you save, you can put it in the productive learning. You get exclusive access to Anubhav Learning Series code, which will help you to enable any specialized scenario to be developed when it comes to real-time requirements. Last but not the least, it's important to learn how to learn rather than just learning. So start your learning here with us anytime, anywhere, on any device. Visit us at anubhavtrainings.com and become part of our family to achieve your career goals today. With that, I welcome once again to all of you and thank you.